Te, unsa? Ha? Kami, abot na mi sa airport. Ha? We're already, ano lang, we're already done with the immigration and thank God. Pass. Thank the Lord. Ha? Di na. And we will be going to our waiting area. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Oh, travel order ako ate. Patay. Tara ato a gate 16 to 17 no. Travel authority rati di kung unsa iya hanggi di pangayo maoray ako ang gi. Wow, I want Cebu. How much is this? Like Cebu, the unique gift. Bila po dati tanong mo sa bila. My price. Giingnan ko niya nga. What will you do in? What is your purpose? I want to tour around Singapore. Where will you go in Singapore? Ako ginan. I will go see. This is the drinking water here. We need to refill our water bottle. We have to refill our water here because this is free instead of just buying it inside here where it's costly. Water from this fountain is safe drinking, tested by DOH, accredited laboratory. This is it. We're here at the airport now. Right at the runway, Air Asia. Oh, this is how the airport looks like then. This is my first time. Air Hong Kong. Okay, that's good. Anak ko rin sulod. This is their toilet area. Wow, very good. Naman to na ta. Iyang ingon gate 16 tati. Bitaw no, just in case ba kay kalayo pa na magbalik-balik.
Nagano na ko pasal kay iya man tigi ko ng endorsement.
Nakapag-ipotan ako kana, are you traveling alone? No ma'am, I have a company, my coworker. Where is she?
Takod sa nako gani pero no.
Tudo na ko ka. Nya. Moto nga, iyang po nga. Siya ning si tawag ani
Isa.
ha?
Yan kilo isa. Para sa kao. Marag okay ba? Wala to. nagdugdug na lang isang binasasak mga pakun.
Anya. Ako tayo, sa gipangutana niya, ha? Eh, siya na. Ano sila? Nga to ang kuan, nakaila. Coffee bean leaf. And where will we stay? 16. Money 16 ati. Burger King. Waiting area here. Dara ati ay. Nang
Trade 5, Singapore, 11.
TR 85 11 chicken, gate 16 open. Init man dito, Pit. Init nga rin ate. Arrive here at Singapore. Ati, asa man taan mag kuan ati? Ate, picture. Way out.
Kini ko gawas man na to.
Ay, asa maning kuan?
Tanyali mo kuan sa kayo mo.
Aw. Tan-aw na ni unya. Pangutana do ta nang kuan nati. Ha ha, di alam mi sa Singapore. Singaporean ladies na mi. Ha? Ano ba? Singapore's #1 network. Ah, okay. SIM card. Sige dati. Prepaid. Prepaid SIM. Palitag prepaid SIM.
Short-term trips. 32.
Which SIM is good for around 5 days stay here?
Our minimum is 30 days.
3 days minimum.
30 days. We only have 30 days minimum, 30 days of the SIM card.
Oh, 30 days.
30 days. Okay, okay. So, is this the amount? $28?
This is under promotion, $28.
This is a 180 day. Okay, for 1 month only.
You have $18 top-up card, 18 credit. $18 for how many? This is free local incoming calls, 20 days. This is the cheapest one.
No, this is the top-up card. It's not a SIM card at all.
It's
There's no SIM card.
There's no SIM card.
Yeah,
Okay.
This is money to credit in.
Oh.
So this one is for the like tourist like us.
32.
What is our other option aside from this?
This one. Local B.
As I mentioned earlier on, this is 5G and this is 4G. That if you want to go for cheapest, it's 28.